My name's David Hopkins. I'm the Chief Executive of Timber Development UK. I'm here at the Wood Awards, Britain's premier exhibition celebrating architecture and product design in timber. The Wood Awards has been running now for 50 years. We're hosting it tonight at the Building Centre in central London, expecting about 150 people to come along. We've had a sterling number of entries on both furniture, products, and of course buildings throughout the UK.
I'm Francesca and I've been running the Wood Awards for the last 7 years. This year for 2021 we are hosting an exhibition at the Building Centre for 6 weeks as part of the World of Wood Festival, which has been great because last year we weren't able to do anything because of COVID, so everything was virtual. So it's great to be back in a venue and have a 6-week exhibition plus a ceremony tonight. For 2021, there are 7 categories, plus a structural award, and then the overall winner, which is the Gold Award, which is given to the winner of winners.
We're running the Wood Awards this year as part of our World of Wood Festival. We decided to put on a festival coinciding with COP26 during the whole of November in London to start talking about timber's role in terms of climate change, decarbonising construction, and the role of forests and the timber supply chain in achieving our low carbon goals. We've been running a number of events, seminars, report launches, apps, and a whole range of other activities online and in person here at the Building Centre. One of which has been the launch of this manifesto, How Can Construction Help Keep 1.5 Alive? It's a global manifesto talking about the policies that we need to see in all countries throughout the world to encourage the use of timber in construction. We managed to bring together the trade associations in the US, Canada, across the whole of Europe, and of course here in the UK to produce this with a whole range of policy guidance for policy makers throughout the world. We hope they're going to act on it. We're going to be using this as an engagement document for a lot of the work that we're doing throughout the coming year. And we hope that all of the people entering the Wood Awards take these principles away, and we want to use their buildings and their case studies as great examples of how you can put these principles into action.